1.10, worksheet B. I'm going to do some of the odds, and you guys are going to do the evens. Number 1. This is the same thing we did on worksheet A. So I have to, I'm going to do just a couple of examples. I have to add 1 to both sides. There's a negative sign in front of that 25, in case you can't see it. That gives me negative 24 equals 3x. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. I get negative 8 equals x. Or x equals negative 8. Doesn't matter. Number 3. Get the y by itself. I'm going to have to subtract 8 from both sides. So I get positive 24. That's right. That's what I said, 28. And negative 7y. Divide both sides by, quiet, negative 7, quiet. And I get negative 4 equals y. All right, let's do some different things. Let's do number 7. Turn the music down. Number 7, I'm going to add 5 to both sides because I have to get the variable term by itself. So I have to add 5. I get k over 6 equals 3. Have to get rid of that denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. Or 6 over 1. K equal 18. Let's quiet, please. Quiet. 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 Number 11. Number 11. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. Oh, I'm sorry. Julianne will never be here. And Trey, guess what? Same one. Oh, that's Dante. Trey's here, yeah. Okay, so I got to subtract 5 from both sides. Negative 23. Negative r over 2. Quiet. Quiet. Okay, I'm gonna... Quiet. Okay, so I have to multiply both sides by 2, or 2 over 1. Quiet. Negative 46 equals negative r. Multiply or divide by negative 1, and I get r equals 46. Questions, comments, concerns? Quiet. 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 quiet, 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 quiet. Number 13, Sarah's going on a backpacking trip and plans to carry 25 pounds in her pack. Quiet, quiet. Who is ever talking? They're talking. Quiet, 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 quiet. No, because I'm lecturing. Quiet, 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 quiet. Okay, Sarah is going on a backpacking trip and plans to carry 25 pounds in her pack. She has already packed 18.5 pounds of gear and supplies, and she wants to use the rest of the pack's weight for water. Each bottle of water is a quart and weighs 2 pounds. Write an equation for the number of quarts Q of water that she can carry. So Q equals the amount of water that she can carry. Nope. Nope. All right, turn the music off. Turn the music off now. I'm just about ready to kick a lot of people out right now. Pray. I'm getting ready to kick a lot of people out. This time when I kick people out, I'm writing referrals. We're not here to do songs right now. We're doing our math. Alyssa, quiet. Okay, here's the amount of water. She plans to carry 25 pounds, so that's going to equal 25 pounds. She has already packed 18.5 pounds, so whatever water she has, we're going to have to add 18.5 pounds. That's what she's got already. Each bottle of water, or each quart, weighs 2 pounds. So we're going to multiply the amount of quarts times 2. Now it says to solve the equation by showing all of your work. If I take that equation and solve for Q, I'm going to have to subtract 18.5 from both sides. And I get 2Q equals 25 minus 18.5 is 6.5. Divide both sides by 2. And Q is going to equal, let's see, 3.25. So she can carry 3.25 quarts. Um, 14 you can do. 15 is 1.3 review, where we translated the verbal term to mathematical symbols. Number 15, 53 plus 4 times a number n is as much I'm not going to get into inequalities, so I'm just going to put equals here, 21. Sorry. Then I have to solve for n. So I'm going to subtract 53 from both sides. I get 4n equals negative 32. And then divide both sides by 4. And I get n equals negative 8. Number 19, Bill had a $7 coupon for the purchase of any item. He bought a DVD recorder that was on sale for 1/4 of its original price. After using the coupon, Bill paid $86 for the DVD recorder before taxes. What was the original price of the DVD? So X is going to equal the original price. He had, let's see, he paid 86 bucks. So that's what it's going to equal. He bought it for 1/4 of its original price. So 1/4 of the original price, but he had a $7 coupon. So I'm going to subtract 7 bucks. Now all I have to do is solve the equation. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So I get 1/4 X equals 93. Multiply both sides by the denominator, 4. So X is going to equal, let's see, 12, 36, 37, $372 he paid for it. That's a lot. And the last word problem for notes, 21. Grace has to spend 2 hours a night on homework during the week and 3 hours total on the homework during the weekend. How many hours total does Grace spend on homework for 1 week? So X is going to equal total hours. She spends 2 nights a week and with, 2 hours a night on homework during the week. So 2 times during the week, how many days during the week? 5, right? Monday through Friday. Plus 3 hours during the weekend. How many days on the weekend? And that equals our total hours. 2 times 5? 3 times 2? So how many hours? 16 total hours a week doing homework. Questions, comments, concerns? No, do your work. Okay, your homework then is going to be the evens on the front and back.